Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable startup applications on your Windows 10 device. So if you notice your computer is kind of slow to boot and you have a lot of programs installed, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to turn off programs from automatically starting when your computer starts. So this is a pretty safe process here. We're really not messing with any Windows services, but you really don't need certain add-ons and potentially unnecessary programs starting when your computer turns on. You can still open them up and start them when you normally would request them, but you maybe don't need them to start up every time your computer starts up. So all you have to do in order to see the list, enable or start any of these programs would be to right click on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen, or at least most people's screen. It's this long bar, and select Task Manager, select the Startup tab, and now here you'd have a list of different programs that you could modify. So if you're on Windows 10, you'll notice that several of these services are enabled or disabled, and startup impact is measured if they are enabled, generally speaking. You can see some of them are going to be high, it could be medium, or it could be low, or it can even be not measured. So just for an example, if you want to disable one of these, you could just select one of them from the list and select either enable or disable depending on what it is currently. So you can see now that we've enabled the OneDrive service, now the enable button becomes a disable button. And this would work very similar with all the other programs that are all listed in here. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. And once it's done, you will have to restart your computer. It'll probably request that you restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And that's pretty much it. If you're on an older version of Windows, in order to get to that startup process, you'd have to go to the start menu and type in msconfig. It should launch the system configuration utility. So you're going to have to go left click on that to open it up. And then you would select the startup tab, and they'd all be listed in here. However, since we're on Windows 10, they're through the Task Manager instead, so you can see the link just directs us back to the Task Manager. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.